We just finished talking about descriptive methods, and now we're going to move on to talk about correlation methods. We use correlation to determine results. Correlation methods associate different factors. It wants to show that there's a relationship between two things. It can be the opposite relationship, or it can be in the same direction. So let's give an example of that. So let's just say that I am going to use sunscreen when I go out to do some gardening today. So I know that there's a direct relationship between my using sunscreen and not getting a sunburn, okay? I also could say that the more sugar I eat, the more carbs I ingest. So there's either the opposite relationship or one that's in the same direction. I could say the less sugar I eat, the less carbs I ingest. So you can see between using sunscreen and not getting sunburn, that's the opposite, or eating sugar, putting more carbs into my body, that would be a relationship, or putting sugar, taking away sugar would mean I would have less carbs in my diet. So what we're looking for is some type of relationship between two things. So let us discuss what these relationships are called. So a positive correlation is a direct relationship. The two things increase or decrease together. So of the things that we just talked about, the sunscreen or the sugar, the more sugar I eat, the more carbs I ingest. That's a positive correlation. They're both going in the same direction, more. Or the less carbs I eat, the less sugar I take in. That is also a direct relationship, a positive correlation in less. So a positive correlation is more, or less. So that is your relationship. A negative correlation is inverse, which is the opposite. As one thing increases, the other decreases, or as one thing decreases, the other increases. So in this case, the more sunscreen I use, the less chance of getting burned. So that is a very, very interesting relationship. But you have to understand that just because something appears to have a relationship, that does not mean causation. It appears so, but that isn't necessarily the correct answer. I want you to stop now, and I want you to look at this video that I've put up on Moodle about mixing up causation and correlation. Thank you.